Hey everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel India Technical Arcast. So today we are taking a sneak peek at the highly appreciated Realme GT7 and 7 Pro. These new flagship models pack top-notch performance and incredible display and exciting features. Let's dive in and see what Realme has in store. So first of all, we will talk about the design and build quality. Starting with the design, the GT7 and 7 Pro measure 162.5 by 76.9 by 8.6 millimeters and weight around 222.8 grams. Yes, these models are IP68 dust and water resistant, which means they can withstand the elements and age. This phone is available in grey, white and bold orange. The GT7 series brings both style and durability to the table. So second, we will talk about the display quality. Realme has equipped both models with a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED screen that boasts 1 million colors and a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling. The HDR and Dolby Vision support deliver vivid colors and contrast, while the 1264 into 2780 megapixel resolution ensures crisp visuals, and with the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, this screen is ready for whatever comes its way. So now let's talk about the performance and software. Both models are powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset paired with an octa-core CPU that has 2 into 4.2 GHz cores and 6 into 3.53 GHz cores. Yes, combined with the Adreno 830 GPU. Yes, in this phone you will see the Adreno 830 GPU. This device are ready to handle any game or any apps you throw at them, and they come with Android 15 out of the box, so you are getting the latest software with tons of customization and optimization options. So next we will talk about the memory and storage. For storage, Realme has truly gone all out. You can get up to 1 TB of internal storage with whopping 24 GB of RAM. This is paired with UFS 4.0 technology, which means you will get incredibly fast read and write speeds for smoother and multitasking and faster app launches. However, there is no SD card slots. तो आप लोगों को पता होगा कि आजकल के फ़ोन में आप लोगों को SD कार्ड का स्लॉट देखने को नहीं मिलता है. So next we will talk about the camera capabilities. So in the camera setup, both the GT7 and GT7 feature a powerful triple camera array. This includes a 50 megapixel of wide lens and OIS, a 50 megapixel of periscope telephoto lenses with 3x optical zoom, and an 8 megapixel of ultra wide lenses for video. You can shoot in 4K at 30 or 60 fps with features like HDR and EIS for stable high quality footages. On the front camera there is 16 megapixel of wide selfie camera that can also record 4K video at 30 fps. So whether you are snapping pictures, recording blogs, or just capturing the moments, this camera will have you covered. So let's talk about the audio and connectivity. Realme also took audio quality seriously on the GT7 series. Both models come with stereo speakers for impressive sound. Yes, दोनों फ़ोन में आपको स्टेरियो स्पीकर देखने को मिलेगा एंड स्टेरियो स्पीकर का जो साउंड क्वालिटी है वो आपको पता ही होगा, लेकिन आपको इसमें कोई भी हेडफोन जैक देखने को नहीं मिलता है. इंस्टेंट Realme has packed in 24-bit and 192 kilohertz high resolution audio for excellent sound quality. So next we are going to talk about battery and charging. Battery life on this phone is impressive thanks to a 6500 mAh of battery with 120 watt wired charging. Yes, यहाँ पर आपको देखने को मिलता है 6500 का बैटरी एमएच, जो अभी तक कोई भी स्मार्टफोन में देखने को नहीं मिला है. सो अगर ये मोबाइल बहुत जल्दी ही लॉन्च होगा तो एंड्रॉयड के अंदर अगर मिक्स हाईएस्ट लेवल ऑफ बैटरी एमएच रहेगा तो Realme GT6 and 6 Pro में आपको देखने को मिलेगा. So now we will talk about additional features and final thoughts. Finally, the GT7 and GT7 Pro come with a suite of sensors including an under-display and ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, gyro proximity compass, and even a color spectrum sensor for the accurate photos. So there you have it, the Realme GT7 and GT7 Pro, powerful, feature rich and designed to impress. So this phone brings flashback performance, a stunning display and impressive camera capabilities. Let us know in the comment section what you have most excited about in the GT7 series, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. And thanks for watching this video. We will see you later in the next one. So thank you guys.